So I finally got this thing dyno tuned. I took it to a local shop here in town. The guy first did just a base run on the original tune they already had. I mean, somebody had already tuned it. It wasn't running how it was supposed to, but it was a tune. I was actually pretty surprised with what it put out. First number I believe was 310, and then I was expecting like a 295 horsepower, so 310 horsepower. I was pretty surprised. I'll show you guys in a bit the dyno graph, but the I don't know, it was a pretty messed up tune. Power would go up and down. It wasn't steady climbing. It was just messy. So this guy ran it 2 times with that stock tune just to get a number. Then he threw on his bass tune. It immediately sounded different. It idled different. I don't have any footage of it, but I do have footage of the next run. So after those first runs, he said there was way too much timing in it. So he went and adjusted that. He did what he did with the fuel. Everything else, I'm not too sure. He cleaned it up a little bit. It didn't make a lot more horsepower. It made about 7 more horsepower at the peak, but everywhere else on the curve it made about 30 to 40 in torque as well. So it really cleaned it up. It feels completely different. It drives better. It stays on, doesn't turn off, and it just feels more drivable, more responsive. Everything's better, and I like how it pulls now. It runs great. Here at the bottom end too. So yeah, like I said, I'll show you guys a graph. take a look at it. Like around 3,500 RPM, there's like 40 or 50 torque increase. That's really noticeable at takeoff. Just daily driving it's awesome. So much more power. It's a good amount of power for a Jeep. I mean, 317 horsepower to the wheel with 33-inch tires, turbo 400, and 373 gears. I mean, I wouldn't mind more, but it's good enough. So yeah, that's my Dyno tune. Stay posted. I'll keep putting up a couple more videos when time allows.